Okay, this is the picture that I saw up in the sky right above my house. And the day was a Saturday midday. Okay, that was after a prayer that I had on a Wednesday, asking God to show me a sign in the sky just to confirm that all the religious thinkings that I've been having, like uh, the worship day is gotta be, it's the seventh day, it's Saturday, it's not Sunday as we grew up knowing, and the Christmas and the all those pagan feasts are really not what we're supposed to be doing. We're supposed to just be following the messianic Jewish way of worship. So I was just confused. I grew up in an Baptist church, so I wanted to just make a drastic change, but I wanted to ask God first. So on Saturday, I prayed on Wednesday, and then on Saturday midday, this is what I saw right above my house. I took my phone and I took the picture with my phone, cell phone.